I'm in fact extremely delighted to be here again on the occasion of this India Corporate Week 2010. As many of you must be remembering who were present in the last program of India Investor Week, which was held in July in this very hall, I participated along with our Minister, Mr. Salman Khurshid, and I am very happy that I am able to be present here again on this occasion today. Our Minister was also scheduled to come, but as you may be knowing, there is a very big program of AICC going on in Delhi, and because of which he is held up, and we are having such programs all over India. So we had a program in Mumbai yesterday, and day before yesterday we had a program in Kolkata, and before that in Chennai. So our secretary has also been going. So he also has not been able to come. But I am very happy that we could show you the glimpses of the inauguration of the India Corporate Week program held in Vigyan Bhavan in New Delhi on 14th of this month, which was done by the Prime Minister, and you were able to see the address given by our Secretary, our Minister, and also the Prime Minister. So at least we have got the spirit and the message of everybody which is behind this. I compliment the FAPSI and SOCHM and all others who are associated with this program for organizing it in such a nice manner. And as all of us know, our ministry is also propagating the theme of partnership among all the stakeholders for a healthy development and growth of the corporate industry. The growth of Indian economy has been commendable during the current decade, and our efforts have to be to make it more and more inclusive and sustainable. As you may be knowing, the theme for last year's Corporate Week was inclusive growth, and for this year's India Corporate Week, we have kept the theme sustainable business. We are proud of the significant contribution of the corporate sector in the overall national economic growth. Ministry of Corporate Affairs has taken various initiatives related to good corporate governance, leading to responsible business and sustainable growth, as well as greater participation of the common man in capital market.